My name is Brad Urrutia, and I am the judge of the 450th District Court here in Travis County, Texas. I was in the United States Army from 1987 to 1990. I was recalled for about 3 months, maybe 4, for a Desert Storm back in 1991. The things that I learned in the military are things that just stay with me all the time, and it's like part of my DNA now. It's little things like, getting up, being somewhere on time, doing what you say you're going to do, take consequences for your action, lessons, life lessons that stay with you. And a lot of veterans have those. It probably shortcutted growing up a whole bunch for me. Some people take, 5 or 6 years after high school growing up. Well, in the military, you do that in 6 months. It's something that I'm really proud of in the sense that, like, every male member of my family is a veteran. My brother was in the Marines, my dad was in the Army, and so that sense of service, of being something bigger than yourself, is really important to me. I don't know that I would be the same guy if I wasn't a veteran, for sure. To raise your right hand and say, I'm going to be part of something bigger than myself, and I'm going to agree to, if called upon, make the ultimate sacrifice for my country. I think that's something special. I think that's something special about every man or woman who does that. So Travis County has a Veterans Court Treatment Program. It's a treatment program. We accept veterans who are suffering from PTSD or military sexual trauma or something like that that happened in the military, and we help those veterans if they have a case that is a result of that PTSD or MST, and we look at them and decide, well, do these folks fit into the criteria of Vets Court? And then we take that veteran and we put them in the program, and at the end of the program, if they're successful, they can either get their case dismissed and record expunged, or they might be on a probation track, but we end up giving them treatment for whatever it is that they're suffering from. We try to find those veterans and identify them and treat the root cause of their issue. We care. I mean, it's strange because we care less about what the offense is than we do as the end result of, like, it's almost an afterthought. Like, okay, well, so-and-so did this to get into the program, but we're treating them all the way through. We just want to make sure that, hey, have we gotten the addiction addressed? Have we gotten their PTSD addressed? Have we helped that veteran get service-connected, that is, benefits they might be entitled to from the VA? So it is truly a holistic, wraparound kind of program for other veterans. And I'm extremely proud of the program, and to just be a part of it. Really, it's an honor. They have a case here in Travis County. They just need to tell their lawyer that they're a veteran and they want to know about the program and see if they qualify. And the lawyer will then contact us and fill out an application, and then we take a look at it from there. Every time a veteran graduates, they have to give a speech. And sometimes those speeches, they will tell you things that you didn't know what was going on with them. And they'll say things like, when I got into the program, I was, drinking every day or something, and now I've been a year or so sober, or however long, and they're so proud and so excited, and they can face those now with tools to be able to handle those sort of events, and that makes me proud. It takes a special person to join the military and do that voluntarily, and I think that we owe that to them. Sometimes they'll get up and say, oh, I'm really thankful for this program and everything that you did to help me. And I think to myself, well, I'm just thankful that you were there and you did what you were asked to do on behalf of us. You learn something when you're in the military. You learn a sense of community and service, and you learn to give back to your country when you're in the military. Vets Court is entirely voluntary. I don't get paid a dime for it. Everything that I do is after hours, and I love it. I love the job that I do, being a judge, but this is so rewarding to me, and I'm just so proud to be the judge of Vets Court in Travis County.